Simply Cards and Papercraft, this is issue 196, has a really different take for Christmas card making and other reasons. But what I love, I have to say, is what else you get. Now this is a collection by Sarah Davies from Crafter's Companion, and this is called her Scandinavian style. So all of these stamps are included, lots and lots of fun things. You can see the looks like sweaters and lots of, I love the little stocking and tree, bird. In addition, there is a cutting die, and this cutting die is Merry Christmas, so really, really pretty. So let me show you what the magazine is going to show for ways to use your treasures. And we're going to start right here. So Scandinavian style is what is being shown, and lots of ideas. There is that little stocking with the wreath and the stamp, so just really charming. Here is a hanging piece that would flip around. Here are more of them, so you can see this combination of the cutting dies and the stamps. So all of those are stamps. Doing a shaker card is really dramatic on red using white embossing powder. Here are some more, an easel card, just really lovely, and even more. They're calling this last minute make. Well, that's fun. Now, the script is another of the stamps, so that's going to be used year round. So that's a nice feature. And let me go further into the magazine. So lots of ways to use things. Now I do want to tell you that every now and again you're going to see something about another magazine. Well, we exclusively have all of them, so never fear, they're going to be right here for you. Here is something else that they have. There's a column, Ranger alcohol inks, and just really fun ideas of what to do. You can also do these with your re-inkers, so just nice additional information, some really fun designs. Very, very different for Christmas or all year. And here are more ideas. This is to use multicolored ink, and I thought that was fun to see. So good, again, good information to have. And here is some gift wrap with your stamps, so you can see really embellishing a very plain bag, doing tags. I love this on a package, so certainly using that little heart stamp, there it is, to embellish and stamp it a couple of times and fold one of them and get that elevated. You can even decorate a pretend gingerbread house. How fun is that? Now you do have the measurements in here, and these in this particular case are all in inches, so that makes it even easier. So lots of fun ideas, very clever ideas, and some wonderful stamps, and a bonus cutting die in this issue of Simply Cards and Papercraft. We're delighted to have this exclusively at paperwishes.com.